Hi, I'm Melanie Cachado, Director for Student Recruitment at Columbia Basin College, and I'd like to share some exciting updates about CBC as we enter the 2021-2022 academic year. CBC continues our community college mission of removing barriers with an open access admission process. What does this mean? It means any student who would like to attend CBC and applies will be admitted. You can start your college education at CBC with over 100 programs to choose from, including 8 applied bachelor degree programs. CBC also helps students gain skills and training to join the workforce through Associate of Applied Science programs, completing a transfer degree to continue their education with one of our many university partners, or earning a certificate. One university partnership to highlight is our CBC and WSU Tri-Cities Bridges Transfer Program. If you're in your first year at CBC and are interested in transferring to WSU Tri-Cities, this program may be for you. This also includes running START students. The Bridges program will help you save money on transfer and transcript costs, save money on tuition because your tuition is frozen from your first year enrolled at WSU Tri-Cities after attending CBC, and you're assigned a Bridges transfer advisor who will help you through the whole process and act as an academic advisor. Visit the Bridges webpage for more details. You may have heard the saying, you get what you pay for. But here at CBC, we believe in getting more than you pay for. At less than half the average yearly cost of a degree from comparable four-year institutions, while offering excellent instruction from world-class faculty, your education at CBC is a sound investment on which you can expect amazing returns. Even with an affordable, high-quality education experience, CBC knows that our students require funding to remove financial barriers for college. CBC offers funding resources that include federal and state financial aid, CBC Foundation Scholarship Program, emergency funding through the CBC Foundation, financial assistance for dislocated workers, funding for in-demand careers, and COVID relief funds. CBC will continue to offer COVID relief funding to enrolled students quarterly. Once enrolled, students can fill out a short application to request funds based on availability. CBC continues to navigate required protocols for the health and safety of our campus. This year, we look forward to hosting on-campus visits for individuals and small groups, planning program-specific information sessions, and providing hands-on learning experiences to help prospective students learn more about the programs we offer that lead directly to employment in our community. Please watch our events calendar on our webpage for event information and details. Here are a few annual events we look forward to planning in the upcoming year. Can't make it to an in-person event? No problem. Check out our virtual tour to explore all areas of both our Pasco and Richland campus locations by clicking Virtual Tour on the CBC homepage. Want to get an email direct to your inbox highlighting updates and events at CBC? You can join our mailing list where we send updates with registration links to share with your colleagues and students. We are also able to send updates from the college, program highlights, and share about events we are hosting or in our community that help students explore their college and career options. Email us to sign up. We will continue to support our students by offering many resources to help them be successful in their college journey, some of which include access to public transportation and free bus passes, CBC Food Pantry, Academic Success Center, which provides tutoring support, access to checkout technology such as laptops and hotspots through the CBC Library, and a new Career Services Center, which offers support for job-seeking skills internships and career exploration. The new Student Recreation Center is also nearing completion and scheduled to open spring 2022. This facility will provide state-of-the-art facilities for our 9 intercollegiate athletic teams, as well as recreation and wellness space for all CBC students to access. We are very excited to get back to campus. CBC will offer up to 300 classes in person, as well as some online classes this fall, and continue to increase the amount of in-person classes quarterly to return to pre-pandemic course offerings, while simultaneously continuing to provide services virtually. We want to fully and equitably serve our community during this next transition. We are looking forward to the year ahead, getting back into our local schools, attending community events, and supporting exploration of academic programs and the pursuit of a college education. Please connect with us if you have an event coming up that you would like a CBC recruiter to attend. Go Hawks!